Today, we're going to demonstrate MBG-T2's inventory depletion tools. Inventory depletions are typically done to reflect regeneration harvests that remove all trees. Stands can also be thinned in MBG-T2, but that will be covered in another video. 3 depletion approaches will be demonstrated. MBG-T2 can handle inventory with spatial information or strictly tabular inventories. In all cases, depletions create a completed activity record that can be used to track and summarize timber harvests and other activities. The first approach, which is the depletion of an entire admin unit, can be applied to either a spatial or tabular inventory. We'll use the Select by Clipboard feature to select admin units. This allows users to copy stand IDs from a spreadsheet, email, or other sources to select admin units. Next, we select the Apply Depletion tool under Actions. The activity ID will be included in the completed activity record. The completion date can be set, as well as information such as costs and revenue. Because the entire admin unit is depleted, there is no need to create new admin units to reflect depletions. You can see here that the stand metrics have been set back to 0. These units could now be planted using the planting tool. The planting tool will be covered in a future video. The second approach only works with spatial inventories. Here, we'll start with a shapefile of timber harvest units. We'll upload it with the data exchange using an existing data map. This approach initially creates planned activities. Planned activities can be edited before they're completed. Here, you can see that Unit 1 seems to follow the admin unit polygon, but it's not quite right. When the activity is completed, it might produce slivers from the existing admin polygon. The planned activity polygon can be edited using the spatial editor with the snapping tool to match the admin polygon. However, MBG-T2 also automatically fixes slivers. Under Inventory Settings, you'll find a Sliver Tolerance setting. Slivers smaller than the tolerance will be fixed automatically. If you don't want to use this feature, then set Sliver Tolerance to 0. Planned activities are completed using the Complete Activity tool under Management. Because these planned activities don't match any current admin polygons, new polygons will be created when the activities are completed. Most of the information for the new polygon is inherited from the largest intersecting admin unit. You can edit this information before completing the activity. Information can also be edited later on the newly created admin units. Click the Submit button to start the process. The activities created new admin units. They currently do not have any tree records, but are ready for planting. You can see here that the boundary of the new admin unit matches the previous unit boundary. Let's take a look at the completed activities. We'll switch to the Completed Activities view under the Management menu. We can now see the completed activities from both the whole admin unit and shapefile depletions. Let's take a moment to look at the information that is recorded for a completed activity. This information can be edited and used in database queries and reports. We'll switch to a tabular inventory for the third approach. This approach should only be used with tabular inventories, as it does not provide information to update admin polygons. Here, we'll use an MBG-T2 activity template, which allows data to be instantly processed by MBG-T2. The template has a worksheet that has information for each individual harvest activity. A second worksheet shows the intersection between the activities and current admin units in tabular format. It lists how many net acres each admin unit contributes to each activity. The template is uploaded using the data exchange. This time, we select MBG template as the data type. This process initially creates planned activities. These activities can be completed using the Complete Activity tool, just like the spatial activities. All done. That's a quick look at MBG-T2's depletion tools, making inventory updates easier and more efficient. Keep an eye out for more tutorials to help you get the most out of MBG T2.